Family food products always focus on providing customer with great delight and taste. To achieve this goal, family food products tend to engage customers in different activities and expos, not only in various cities of Pakistan but also at international level. Following the same tradition, on 21st and 22nd January, Family Food Products participated in Hum Masala Family Festival at Expo Center, Karachi, under the supervision of company's marketing department. Company displayed a variety of products for tasting and selling. Customer response was excellent and customers liked our products very much. Overall, the experience was great. Not only Nimco and snacks but also enjoyed playing different games at our stall. Karachi customers also liked our delicious jams, chutney, and hazmex, which are company's new products. This not only increased the trust of company in the minds of customers, retailers, distributors, but also the sales and marketing team. Particularly, the foreigners from Germany and other countries also visited us and liked family food products.